Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's lecture is about the lenses. That is, what is a lens? We will study this, and then we will study the types of the lenses, how many types of the lens are there, and then at the end of the lecture we will discuss different related terms which are related to lenses. We will discuss those terms. So this is our today's lecture. So our today's lecture is the lenses. So first of all, we will discuss what is a lens. The transparent material bounded between two surfaces such that at least one of them is a curved surface is called a lens. The transparent material bounded between two surfaces such that at least one of them is a curved surface is called as lens. Diagrammatically, lenses are shown as here. This is a lens, this is a lens, this is a lens, this is a lens. So these are lenses. Now in these lenses, here two surfaces are curved. Here one surface is plane and one is a curved. So in lens, one surface at least must be a curved surface. So here one surface is a curved, so it is a lens. Here both the surfaces are curved, so it is a lens. So here again both the surfaces are curved, so it is a lens. Here one is a plane, but one is at least curved. This is a curved surface, so it is a lens. So in lens, one surface at least must be a curved surface. So such type of device is called as a lens. Now next is the types of lenses. How many types of lenses are there? There are two types of lenses. That is convex lenses or converging lenses. This is the first type. Convex lenses or converging lenses. Second is concave lenses or diverging lenses. These are two types of lenses. Now first is a convex lens. What is a convex lens? The lens which is thick at the center and thin at the edges is called a convex lens. Or the second definition, the lens which converges the parallel rays of light at a point is called a convex lens or converging lens. Diagrammatically, I can show you what is a convex lens. Now this lens is thick at the center but thin at this point, so it is a convex lens according to the first definition. According to second definition, these parallel rays are going to fall on the lens. Then after passing through the lens, these rays converge at this point. So this lens which converges the parallel rays at a point, this lens is called as convex lens. Now the point F at which the rays combine, this is called focus of the lens. Now the types of convex lens, there are three types of convex lens. Number one, the double convex lens or biconvex lens. So that type of convex lens whose both the surfaces are curved outward. So that type of convex lens whose both the surfaces are curved outward is called as biconvex lens or double convex lens. So here is the diagram of the biconvex lens. Here both the surfaces are curved outward. This is outward, this is outward. So it is a biconvex lens. Next is plano-convex lens. That type of convex lens whose one surface is plane and other surface is convex is called as plano-convex lens. So here is a diagram of the plano-convex lens. This one surface is plane and other is convex surface. So it is a plano-convex lens. Then the next type of convex lens is concavo-convex lens. This is a third type of convex lens. That type of convex lens whose one surface is convex and other is concave is called as concavo-convex lens. Now this is concavo-convex lens. One surface is convex and the other surface is concave. So it is called concavo-convex lens. Second type of lens is a concave lens. This is second type of the lens. The lens which is thin at the center and thick at the edges is called as a concave lens. Or the second definition, the lens which diverges the parallel rays of light is called as concave lens or diverging lens. Now we can show you the concave lens by diagram. Now this is a concave lens. It is thin at the center and thick at the edges. So it is a concave lens. Now according to second diagram, when parallel rays fall on the lens, then after passing through the lens, these rays diverge. So such type of the lens which diverges the parallel rays, this is called as concave lens. This is concave lens. Now if we trace these rays backward in the dotted line, these two rays combine at this point. So this point at which these rays combine is called focus of the concave lens. Now types of concave lens. There are three types of concave lens. That is double concave lens or biconcave lens. That type of concave lens whose both the surfaces are curved inward is called double concave lens or biconcave lens. We can show this by the diagram. This is a biconcave lens or double concave lens. Both the surfaces are curved inward. This is inward. This surface is inward. Both the surfaces are inward. So it is a biconcave lens. Next is plano-concave lens. That type of concave lens whose one surface is concave and other is plane is called as plano-concave lens. Now this is a plano-concave lens. One surface is plane. This surface is plane. This is a concave surface. So it is a plano-concave lens. Then we have the third type of concave lens, which is called as convexo-concave lens. This is a third type of concave lens, which is called convexo-concave lens. That type of concave lens whose one surface is convex and other is concave is called as convexo-concave lens. Now this is a convexo-concave lens. One surface is convex and the other surface is concave. So it is called as convexo-concave lens. This is third type of concave lens. The third portion of our lecture is the terms related to lenses. There are different terms which are related to the lenses. We are going to discuss these terms one by one. The first is center of curvature. What is center of curvature? It is noted by C. How we define this? The center of the sphere of which the lens is a part is called as center of curvature. Now this is a sphere and lens is a part of the sphere. So here we cut the lens. This is a lens and this lens is a part of this sphere. The center of this sphere is called as center of curvature. Center of this sphere is called as center of curvature. Now every lens has two center of curvatures, one on each side. This is a lens. It has two center of curvature, one on this side, second on this side. So every lens has two center of curvatures. Next is optical center. It is noted by O. What is optical center? The central point of the lens is called as optical center, denoted by O. Now this is a lens and this central point this central point, this is called optical center, and this optical center is denoted by O. Now the next term is principal focus or focal point. What is principal focus? The point at which rays after passing through the lens combine is called principal focus. These are parallel rays. When these rays pass through the lens, these rays combine at this point. So this point at which the parallel rays combine after passing through the lens, this point is called focus point. So parallel rays after passing through the lens combine at this point. So this point is called focus point. And every lens has two focus points. One on this side, second on this side. So every lens has two focus points. Next term is principal axis. What is principal axis? The straight line passing through the center of curvatures and optical center is called as principal axis. Now this is a lens. This straight line is called as principal axis. Why we call it principal axis? This line is passing through center of curvature. These two center of curvatures, and this is optical center. So this line is passing through center of curvatures and the optical center. So it is called as principal axis. Now in case of concave lens, again we have principal axis. This is a concave lens, and this line is called principal axis because this line is passing through center of curvatures and optical center. So it is center of curvature. So it is called as principal axis. Next term is called as focal length. It is noted by F. What is focal length? The distance between optical center and principal focus is called as focal length. Now this is the lens, and this is the optical center, and this is the focus point. So distance between optical center and focus point, this distance is called as focal length. So distance from this point and this point, this is called focal length. So this distance is a focal length. It is noted by small f. So focal length is noted by small f. Its unit is centimeter. So today we have discussed what is a lens, then the types of the lens, and then the related terms to the lenses. Thank you.